Once upon a time, in a busy ant colony, there lived a small but wise little ant named Andy. Andy was known for his intelligence, hard work, and his ability to solve problems. One day, a massive storm swept causing a tree to fall and block the ants' path to their food storage. The other ants panicked and didn't know what to do. They gathered around, worried and helpless. But Andy, with his calm demeanor, stepped forward. He carefully examined the situation and observed the fallen tree. After some thought, he devised a plan. "Listen, my fellow ants," Andy said, addressing the worried crowd. "We can overcome this obstacle by working together. If we all join forces and push the tree together, we can clear our path to the food storage." The other ants were amazed by Andy's wisdom and determination. With Andy's guidance, they formed a long line, pushing and exerting all their strength against the fallen tree. Slowly but steadily, the tree began to move. They successfully cleared the path to their food storage. The colony rejoiced, grateful for Andy's wisdom and leadership. The moral of the story is that unity and teamwork can overcome even the greatest challenges.